Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook a turkey. Now, some people out in this world do not know how to cook a turkey, so if you already do and you don't want to watch this, go ahead, skip this video and go to the next. But for those that are new at cooking a turkey, I'm going to show you the easiest way to cook a turkey and enjoy it and love it. All right, come in a little closer. I'll show you how to do it. Before we even get the turkey going, get yourself a tin pan. They work great. Put your cookie rack inside of it, because then that way there you can toss the pan. Spray it so it's easy to clean up. And that's it for that. Make sure you have a plastic bag to put everything in of your turkey. You're gonna have to wear some rubber gloves and you need some scissors. Keep this. You need this. This is your tag that tells you how much that turkey weighs. It says 12 pounds, 0.85. Now it takes usually roughly 20 minutes per pound of turkey. Depending on if you stuff it, it's going to be different. If you don't stuff it, it's totally different too. So keep this so you don't forget how much your turkey weighs, because believe me, I do. All right, let's set that aside. I bleached out my sink really well. And let's get the gloves on and get First busy. You take off the wrapping. This has been thawing in my refrigerator from the freezer for 5 days. Inside the top, there's going to be a little bag of giblets, it's called. It's where there's the heart and all that. There's the neck. You're going to want to keep it because that's good for stock. So I got a little paper over there. And then you look inside. And I always take this out because this never is accurate. It never is, guys. All right. So let's rinse her out. Run some cold water. Make sure all this stuff is out of the inside. Okay. Now, you're going to take these wings and you're going to bend it back. Okay? We'll take care of that in a minute. Bend that back underneath. Just like that. See this? Pull that off, throw it in your bag, because that's disgusting. It's not the prettiest thing, I'm just saying. Okay, you want to make sure that everything's out of the cavity, which it is. All right. So we're going to leave that leg out for a minute, because then now we're going to season the inside. Now I've already got all my seasons ready. I'm going to do some seasoned salt. Sprinkle that in there. Some poultry seasoning. Sprinkle that in there. I got one hand that has a glove, one that don't. And we're not going to touch that turkey with the one that don't. Some black pepper. Okay. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil in there. That's just how I do it. You don't have to do that. Okay, now we're going to take this turkey. I'm going to grab part of my glove. We're going to tuck the legs back in. The little plastic thing. And then we're going to grab it and put it in our pan. Okay, so now it's in the pan. Just like so. I still got that glove on. I'm gonna put some olive oil over it. I'm just gonna run that all throughout it. I'm gonna get some onion peel here, and probably stick the onion and garlic in the front and maybe inside here. But we'll do that after we get some seasoning on this. So this is again with the poultry seasoning. Get your wings. Seasoned salt. And pepper. Now you put seasonings you like on there. It is not gonna, this is just seasoning the skin mostly. So, alright. So that part we got done. See? Alright. Now I'm gonna get the onion and cut that up and the garlic, and I'll show you how we do that. Okay. Now let's get these ready to be put inside there. I put peel and all, so I just cut it like that. The garlic, I cut the top part off. Let's shoot it across the room. I peel off most of the peel, okay. And then I take it and I cut it right in half. Like so. This part goes in the cavity, and this part will go in the top. This part will go in the cavity, and this part will go in the top. The reason I'm leaving the peel on, it makes your gravy that you're using from the stock here, it's gonna make your gravy more prettier golden color. All right, I think that should be enough garlic, and this should be enough onion. All right, let's get it inside the turkey so I can get my hands washed afterwards. Get this in. I have my oven set at 425. I'm gonna do that for the first hour. Now for the top, hold that up, take your garlic, shove it in there, hold it in there, take your onion, rest of your onion. See how I'm doing this? It's just for flavor. Now you could put celery in there, carrot, onion, whatever you want. And chuck that inside the bottom like that, and it'll hold it in there just like so. Okay, now I gotta wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, our turkey's all ready to go inside the oven at 425 for 1 hour, and then we'll turn the temperature down, and I'll be back at that time. We're not gonna cover it with foil or nothing. It's just going in there like this. All right, see how I got it in there? That's how it goes. All right, be back in a few. 425. Be back in an hour. Okay, so see, we got that set at the deepest part of the turkey breast. Look at how beautiful it's already. Now it's gonna cook really nice and slow. Don't open the oven no more. Again, it's at 350. All right, she's done. 2.5 hours it took to cook this turkey. Now you just let it rest. You just leave it there. They say, rule of thumb, you let it rest for as long as you cook it, but I let it rest about an hour or so, and then all the juices will go back up into your turkey, and it's gonna be beautiful. That is how you cook a beautiful turkey. That's the perfect way to do a quick, easy turkey. There's hundreds of ways out there to cook a turkey. I like to brine a turkey. If you're interested in learning how to do that, leave me a comment below, and if I can do it, I'll try to show you how to brine a turkey before Thanksgiving. A great tip, if you're going to debone your turkey and have everything set up before your company comes, instead of leaving it in a big hole and then carving it in front of them, I gave that up years ago. oh, what is them called? A 9x13 crock pot, and it's the long skinny ones. You layer your turkey out inside there. I don't never cut the turkey breast up until just before people get there, or even right after they get there and you've got like a few minutes, because you want those to stay really moist. So you're gonna put all that in your 9x13 pot, crock pot, and you're gonna put some chicken stock in there, and then you're gonna keep it on warm. Put your lid on it, usually they're the airtight ones, and it will keep your turkey nice and moist. Just a great tip for me, I think. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.